Hazrat Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No disease is self-contagious." He used to narrate this hadith that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A diseased one should not be brought close to a healthy one." Abu Salama radiyallahu anhu says that Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu used to report both ahadith from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu stopped narrating the hadith, "No disease is self-contagious," and held firm to it that no diseased person must be brought near to a healthy one. Haris bin Abi Dhubab, the son of Hazrat Abu Huraira's uncle, said, "O Abu Huraira, we have heard that you used to narrate another hadith with this one which you have stopped narrating now. You used to say that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'No disease is self-contagious.'" Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu refused to recognize this narration and said, "An ailing person should not be brought near to a healthy one." Haris did not get satisfied until Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu got furious and said to him something in Ethiopian language. He then said to Harith, "Do you know what I have said to you?" He replied in the negative. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, "I have said I disavow it." Abu Salama said, "By my life, Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu would narrate this hadith to us that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'No disease is self-contagious.' I do not know whether Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu has forgotten it or one hadith has revoked the other hadith." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5752.